it like that because I can.
What are you doing?
Milling the wood into smaller widths.
We had battens that were too big, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I need to split. I've already done them ones.
Right.
And just an homemade device, really.
So how did you make it? What did you use? 2 horses?
Yeah, I used an ordinary circular saw.
Yeah.
Turned it upside down.
Right.
And then screwed it all into the table. Make sure that this square.
Right.
And then this is just a matter of.
Oh, you actually screwed the. All right, in place, yeah.
Yeah, so it don't move.
Right.
And then I just use this to
kite the wood.
Yeah.
Right. And then you split all them so that you can use them, because we bought the wrong side, didn't we?
Yeah.
And now they're going to be used for the tables you make for Craig and Jane.
Yeah, boxes.
Boxes, yeah. Okay, cool.
Just that on there. Put him in there, like that. This is going to cut from there to there, cuts the wood.
So this is the middle line. This is the cutting line?
Yeah, that's the cutting line there.
Right, so this needs to move too, is it?
No.
But you don't need 2 equal ones. Right,
no.
okay.
So I just stick that in there now. Don't take long. Just set it up.
Does that need to be straight then? Otherwise the wood...
Well, straight with this. It saves a lot of money because when you buy milled wood,
yeah,
the smaller you get it cut.
Of course,
the more expensive
they
it
mill it
becomes.
for you. Yes.
So you can get like 4x2 wood.
You can
wood.
now buy bigger wood.
Yeah, rough cut, and then you can just mill it like this.
Okay. And is this hole big enough now? Now you're using bigger wood?
Yeah.
So we need to take some out of here now, is it?
No.
No?
No, not really. I just doing that. Let's see if you're doing it, I think. Okay. And
all right.
I just stick my duff mask on so there don't any issues with my lungs.
On top in front of you.
Oh yeah. I got it plugged in and turned on. I have to take the switch on because it's got a safety mechanism.
Okay.
So as you release it, it turns
right,
off.
okay. Normally there's a safety mechanism on
So
the saw.
I put some tape on it
to keep it in. Yeah. Not to cut your fingers, he turns it around. Well, if it works, it works.